I'm Dr. Shandus Mustakim from the platform of Tashkent Urdu, and I'm here to conduct the interview of Her Highness Dr. Jasur Razov, the rector, the ultimate rector of Samarkand State Medical University. Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome to the platform of Tashkent Urdu.
Thank you.
So today we will talk something about your university.
Okay.
First of all, tell us something about the Samarkand State Medical University.
The Samarkand State Medical University is a very old university in our country. Established 30 years. During the nearly 100 years, we prepare the high-level doctors. We have all these lines medicine about the education. For example, we have faculty of general medicine, pediatric, medical biology, dentistry, pharmacy, and I want to say we have all these lines in medicine for education.
Okay, very nice. So these are the different departments of your university.
Yes. We have 9 departments.
9 departments?
Yes, 9 departments. We have nearly 14,000 students.
14,000 students?
Yes, total.
Overall. Yeah.
We have more 3,000 foreign students.
3,000 international students?
Yes, international students. That's why we have separate department of international education.
Department, you have separate department of international
education.
International education.
Yes.
So what is the criteria of the international students you hire, and how do you facilitate international students in your university?
We started 4 years ago studies foreign students here in the university. During the 4 years, we tried to make very comfortable situation for foreign students. For example, for education, for lives, for comfortable feels foreign students here in our culture.
So how's your experience going on with international students?
During the 4 years, we had a lot of this experience about this education system for foreign students. For example, 4 years ago, we didn't have any books in English, but during the 4 years, we buy a lot of these books, textbooks, yes, in English. And we make the online platform as especially for foreign students. Here in our university work a lot of the teachers from Pakistan.
That's my next question would be is how do you facilitate the teaching faculty? Tell us something about your teaching faculty from different countries.
Yes. Why we invite a lot of these foreign teachers? Because when foreign students study here, there feels uncomfortable situation. That's why we make very easy, very comfortable situation. That's why we invite a lot of these teachers from more 10 countries who will teach in English, only in English. That's why we make an online platform in English especially for all the students, and we make with Arsal company make the specially hostel for for international students, make all the comfortable situation so foreign students feel
comfortably.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So you have a good number of international teaching faculty as well in your university?
We have today's more 50 teachers from,
Different countries,
for example, Russia,
different.
Pakistan, and Afghanistan, and South Korea.
Very nice.
Yes, all these foreign teachers teach especially only in English.
So may I know what will be your plans for the teaching faculty and for the international students for the next few years?
We know about these little problems in educational system in our university,
Like
but we step by step make this is more difficult situation for easy situation about this teach, about living, and about the contact. For example, we have this tutors. There are speak with foreign students only in English.
So what are the challenges and difficulties you have been facing or when you joined the seat? What were the challenges and how did you overcome those challenges?
Beginning the 4 years ago, we had a lot of the problem with the teachers, problem with the books, problem with the programs. For example, program of the MBBS is this time is very difficult program. It was for me.
Is there any message you want to convey to the international students who want to join your university? Is there any special message you want to convey?
We want to all the students studies very hard, and in the future he stay very high level doctors. So it's very important for us, for me, for all the university. We have a lot of this Uzbek cultural tradition and a lot of this Uzbek cultural places. That's why we want to the foreign students studies all the culture, all the history. It is in the future will be help to foreign students
To come and join your
to coming. Yes.
Well, Dr. Jasur, you are doing tremendous job. Thank you so very much and wish you very good luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.